It's a must, it's a stop-off point, it's a must-do stop-off point in Belfast to come and see the gardens in their entirety, and also, of course, Kelly's flower beds, front of house.
The forget-me-nots. I love the forget-me-nots. They're such a small and delicate flower, but en masse, they create this stunning carpet of just pure blue. And it's not one that you would see often utilised like that.
Absolutely. The most pleasing thing for me, actually, as the supervisor looking on, was the fact that she veered away from the more garish colours, you know, the really bright colours, and she went for more muted colours, which for me, personally, I think they really work.
So when it comes to planning and designing the beds, it's done, let's say we're going to do a summer design. We're not designing that now in May. That would be insane. We have to do it a season ahead. So by the time all the winter bedding arrives, that's usually when we're deciding what we're also going to do the season after in the summer. Okay, step by step. First, we're digging out all the plants. We're getting all the soil evened up into position, nice and soft, so you can plant in it. We want to do a spiral. How are you going to make a spiral? We take bamboo canes, string. We pop the bamboo cane in the soil, part kind of in the middle. So going off the urn, we can like walk the string around the bed and just kind of like, you know, slack it a little. And at that point there, it's just plant away. Start with one color, find your line, follow your line all the way around, and then that's your guide, and you just fill it in.
Well, they're vitally important because they're the backdrop to the Palm House, you know, which is the big show house that everybody comes to see, and obviously the tropical ravine across the way. We've had drones up taking aerial shots of these flower beds, and they are truly spectacular.